Hi, I'm Bill Erhart, an attorney at Estate and Elder Law Services here in Wilmington, Delaware, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about how we greet and serve our clients when we first meet them. When clients come to see me for estate planning, they're usually very eager to talk about avoiding probate, avoiding taxes, and who gets their property when they pass their way. I always listen politely, because attorneys always like to interrupt people. But then I try to address what I think is really the greatest need that most of us have in America today. And that is, what is our plan for long-term care? As medical and science improves, we're living longer. The longer we live, the more likely it is that we're going to need some sort of assistance, both financial assistance, mental assistance, medical assistance as we age and become more frail. Most Americans don't have a good long-term care. As we live longer, 1 in 3 Americans will suffer some form of dementia. Currently, Alzheimer's, the most severe and common form of dementia, is the 6th leading cause of death in America. When I sit down and ask my clients about long-term care, most of them stare at me blankly. And I tell them, as I tell you, when you're thinking about long-term care, there's really only 3 ways to pay for long-term care in the United States today. The first is to have special long-term care insurance. Most of us don't have it. It's very expensive, and fewer insurance companies are selling it all the time. The second way is private pay. Pay out of your own resources. Private pay until you are broke. And the third way is Medicaid. Medicaid is a government program. Medicaid is different than Medicare. Medicare is a government-sponsored health insurance program that Americans over the age of 65 are eligible for. Like all health insurance plans, the inpatient benefit for Medicare is limited to so many days. It provides for hospital care and it provides for rehabilitation treatment as well. But if you are no longer progressing in your care or rehabilitation, or your hospital days run out under your hospital plan or under Medicare, then you are on long-term care. And once again, long-term care insurance, private pay until you're broke, and then Medicaid. We'll talk a little bit more about Medicaid during our next segment. Thank you.